Alright children, good morning. So today again exercise 13.1 question number 3. You have done last class question number 1 with its formulas. Now today question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hole has a perimeter of 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of ₹10 per square meter is ₹15,000, find the height of the hole. So now here they have told to find out the height of the hole and they have given the perimeter of the hole. Perimeter is given. So now, the perimeter, so the shape is rectangular. Suppose you take a cuboid. Let us take one cuboid of this type. So this is a cuboid. Now supposing this is a cuboidal shaped room. This is the room, shape is cuboid, you just presume it. So the has a perimeter of 250 meter. So perimeter, that means the total length of these 4 sides. So now you take this one face of this one, you will get it a rectangle. You will get it a shape as rectangle. So the perimeter of this will be, supposing this is length, this will be length, this is breadth, this is also breadth. So if you take this one, this will be the length, you take it as length, and this you take as the breadth. So this is length, this is breadth, and this is the height. So here they have given the has a perimeter of 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of ₹10 per square meter is ₹15,000. That means to paint these 4 walls of the room. So has the cost of painting the 4 walls. So they are going to paint only the 4 walls. They are not going to paint the ceiling or the base. So that is why leaving this ceiling and the base, that is the floor, they are only going to paint the 4 walls. And you know that the area of the 4 walls is twice of height into length plus breadth. This is your formula. So here, if the cost of painting the 4 walls, they are only going to paint the 4 walls at the rate of ₹10 per square meter is ₹15,000. Find the height of the hole. So now you are going to find the height of the hole. So now, by reading this question, we have got the perimeter of the hole. So perimeter of the hole means the shape is the cuboid. As such, you will get one face, that is the rectangular. Suppose you have taken only the one face, that is the base, you will get this. Supposing this is the base of the cuboid, you assume that this is the base of the cuboid. This is the base of the cuboid. This is length, this is breadth, and they have given the perimeter of this floor. So this is the floor and the total length of these 4 sides of the floor. So this will be length and this will be breadth, because the opposite sides of the rectangle is equal. That is why you will get twice length plus twice breadth, and you take these 2 common, you will get twice of length plus breadth. Now, so here we will write that solution. So length, breadth, and height of a rectangular hole. It is a rectangular hole. The shape is cuboid. Rectangular hole. So here they have used the word rectangular. So that means cuboid. So B say L, B and H respectively. So now here you are to find the height. So this one is the height. So you will find the height. So height is H. You are going to find the height. Now let us read. So the floor of a rectangular hole has a perimeter of 250. So the floor perimeter is 250. There is the floor perimeter of the hole. So now perimeter of rectangular floor, perimeter of rectangular floor, you have got 250, so it is given 250 meter. So the formula is, this is the perimeter of the rectangular floor, that means the shape is rectangle. So the perimeter is twice of length plus breadth equals to 250. So they have not given length and breadth, so that is why simply we will keep it length plus breadth. So let us keep L plus B equals to, so L plus B equals to 250 divided by these 2. So you will get 125 meter. Let us keep this as equation number 1. Let us assume that the value of length plus breadth we have got 125 meter. Now here the next point is, if the cost of painting the 4 walls, now you are going to paint the 4 walls, not the ceiling and the floor. So that means excluding the ceiling and the floor, you are only going to paint the 4 walls. And the rate of rupees 10 per square meter, that means 1 square meter that will cost 10 rupees if you paint the floor. So 1 square meter cost of painting is rupees 10 and the total cost of painting is rupees 50,000. That means if you paint the 4 walls, the total cost will be 50,000, and just to paint 1 square meter that will cost 10 rupees. Now find the height of the hole. So since they have said they are going to paint the 4 walls, let us find out that means area of the 4 walls. That means how much area is there in the 4 walls. After knowing this area, then we are going to multiply by 10. Why? Because you have got the area of the 4 walls, and then per square meter that will cost 10 rupees. So how much area you got on that 4 walls? So with that you are going to multiply by 10. So now area of 4 walls, area of 4 walls of a hole equals to, now 4 walls, that is the lateral surface area, that is only the 4 walls. So the formula is twice into height L plus B, L plus B. So equals to, now here L plus B you got 125 meters. So in place of L plus B you will put 125 meter. So it is twice H. So twice H into, so L plus B. So L plus B you have got 125. So you have got from equation 1. From equation 1. This is equation number 1. So multiplying you will get 250H. 250H meter. So this is meter. So this is the area of 4 walls. On this much area you are going to paint. And they have said that the cost of painting the 4 walls, the total cost is 50,000. When you paint 258 meter, that is the area of the 4 walls, then the total cost is 15,000. Now the rate is given that if you paint 1 square meter, that will cost 10 rupees. Supposing you are painting 1 square meter of the wall, you are going to pay 10 rupees. Then supposing now you are going to pay 250H. Why? Because this is the area of the 4 walls and you are going to paint the area of the, you are going to paint the 4 walls. So that is why this much area you got. Now with this you are going to multiply by 10. So the rupees 10 per square meter. Now cost of painting. Now here cost of painting 1 square meter is equal to rupees 10. So it is given. If you paint 1 square meter of the wall, that will cost 10 rupees. Now how much is the area of the 4 walls? The area of the 4 walls is this much. So now you are going to find the cost of this much area, because this is the area of the 4 walls. So therefore cost of painting painting, how much area? So it is 250 H. So 250 H meter square. Yes. So meter square. So this is the area, meter square. So it is the square meter. Square meter. So equals to, now here the area is more. So the cost will be more. Multiply. So 10 into 250 H. So 10 into 250 H. So you have got 2500 H. This is the total cost of painting the 4 walls. But it is given that the total cost of painting the 4 walls is rupees 15,000. So what is this now? This is the cost of painting this much area. This is what? The area of the 4 walls. So the area of the 4 walls that you are going to paint, the total cost of this is rupees 2,500 H. That means this is the total cost. So that means according to the question, this is the total cost of painting the 4 walls. So the total cost of painting the 4 walls is also given 15,000. So this equals to 15,000. So here H will be, so H equals to 15,000 divided by 2500. So you cancel it, you will get 6. So you will get 6 meters. So this is the height of the means wall. There is the hole, height of the hole. So here, how these two got equal? Because this one is also the total cost of painting the 4 walls. So the 4 wall area is this, and the cost of painting this much area of 4 walls is this much. So this means the total cost. That is why according to the equation, the total cost equals to the total cost. Then you have got the height. Height equals to 6 meters. Now, let us take question number 4. So it is given that the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 square meter. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? So here now they have given that the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 square meters. So paint in a container. Supposing, so they have given paint in a container. So in a container, the area of paint is 9.375. So 9.375 meters square. So they have given this one. That means whatever paint is there inside the container, with that paint they can paint any surface amounting to this much area, that is 9.375 square meter. This much area they can paint. Now it is given that how many bricks of dimension. So bricks, you have to find out the number of bricks of dimension. So they have given length, breadth, height that can be painted out of this container. So now let me first write the dimension. So for a brick, so length, so say length is given 22.5 centimeter, breadth, so breadth is given 10 centimeter, and the height, so it is given 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Now one thing is there that here they have given in centimeter and here they have given in square meter. So you are going to convert square meter to centimeter. So as you know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you know it. So 1 square meter means 1 meter square means 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 into 1, 1 meter into meter square. So 1 meter you have got 100, so it is 100 into then 1 meter, that will be 100. So 100, that means you will get centimeter square. So you have got 10,000. So it is 4 zeros. So it will be 10,000 centimeters square. That means 1 meter square equals to 10,000 centimeters square. So here you got 9.375 square meter. So 1 square meter you have got 10,000 centimeters square. So that means 9.3 means that will be more. So 9.35 into 10,000. So 10,000 centimeters square. So equals to, multiplying these two, you will get 93750 centimeters square, because these 3 zeros will be out, because before the point there is 3 digit. So 1, 2, 3. So these 3 zeros will be out. So there will be only means 1 0. So 93750 centimeters square. So now you have converted to centimeters square, because the length, breadth and height are given in centimeter. Now they say that this much paint is there in the container. So with this much of paint, how many bricks of this size you can paint? So supposing this is a brick, you take that this is a brick, this is one brick. So you are going to paint all this surface. That means you are going to paint all the 6 surface. So that means you are going to find the total surface area. Why? Because you are going to paint from this container, this much area of the paint, you are going to paint on these types of bricks on all the 6 faces. So like this similar type of bricks you will get. So they have asked that how many this type of bricks you can paint from this area of paint. So this much area is there. So how many bricks you can paint from this? So that is the first you are going to find the total surface area of a brick. So now TS, so total surface area of a brick. So this is given by twice of LB plus BH plus HL. So now length is 22.5, breadth is 10, height is 7.5 plus then here H is 7.5 into L is 22.5 meters square. So 2. So length into breadth into height plus height into length. So by multiplying these two, you will get 225, because before the point there is a single digit, so this 0 will be out. Then 7.5 into 10 you will get 75. Then multiplying these two, so 22, 225 and 75. 5 into 5, 25. 5 to the 10 plus 2, so that will be 12. So it will be 11, 7 5s are 35, 7 is 14, 17. Then it will be 16. So it will be 15. So it will be 5, 7, 8, 6, 1. So now here the point will move after 3 digit. Sorry. So there is 1 digit, there is 1 digit. So the point will move after 2 digit. So 1, 2, 168.75. So it will be 168.75. Now 2 into, adding these 2, you have got 300 plus this, you will get 468.75. Just by adding this 3, you will get 468.75. Now 2 into 5, it will be 10, 2 into 7, 14, it will be 15, 2 into 16, 17, so it will be 13, then it will be 9. So here 2 digit is there, so the point will move after 2, means 2 digit. So 1, 2. Now you have got, this is the area of one brick. So this is the surface area, this is the total surface area of a brick. Now this type of bricks, how many can be painted from this much area that is present in the container? So in the container, this much area of paint is there. So for one brick, area is this much. Like this, how many bricks can be painted? Now let us take that. Let number of bricks be x. Supposing the number of bricks is x, because they have told you to find the number of bricks. Let us take it as x numbers. So here the total surface area of a brick, that means for a single brick, area is this. Then for x bricks, area will be more. So therefore, total surface area of x bricks, x number of bricks. So how many bricks? X bricks. So one brick area is 9375.0. So for the x bricks, area will be more, multiply. So 937.5. So this 0 you can just leave it out, into x. So you will get 937.5 x meter square. Centimeter square. Now that means this is the total area of the x bricks. That means this much of bricks, because you have said that the number of bricks that can be painted is x. So this many bricks can be painted. So that means the area of the x bricks is this much. That means this is the area of the paint that was used to paint these x bricks, and the x bricks area is this. This is the area of the x number of bricks. So these bricks, this much area of bricks can be painted from this much paint. So that is why, according to the question, these two will be equal. Again, I am just telling it. This 93750, this is the total area of paint present in a container. So you are going to use this paint to paint the bricks. So now one brick total surface area, you got 9375.0. So 937.50 centimeter square. Now you have assumed that the number of bricks that can be painted from this much area of paint, you have taken as x. That means the x number of bricks can be painted from this much area. So that means area of this x bricks, so you got this much. That means this area of bricks equals to the area of the paint, because this paint is used to paint these bricks. That is why this equals to this. So now according to the question, so is 937.5x equals to, it will be 93750. Now let us make it fractions. So 9375 divided by 10, because after the point there is a single digit and then x. This x equals to 93750. Now 93750 equals to, so you will cross multiply 93750 into 10. So this one. Now then x equals to, so this gives, so x equals to 93750 into 10 divided by 9375. So you can cancel this, you got here 10. So 10 into 10, you got 100. So number of bricks you got 100. That means 100 number of bricks that can be painted from the area of paint present in the container. So from this much area of paint, you can paint 100 bricks. This is your answer. Let's take one last question. So now A small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass panes. That is question number 6. This is question number 6. So it is 6. So it is given that a small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of glass panes, including the base, held together with a tape. So here they have given that a small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass panes. So there is a greenhouse. Supposing this is a rectangular greenhouse. So the shape is cuboid. So all these faces, all these surfaces are made with glass. So made with glass panes. So held together with tape. So they have joined these glasses. They have joined these adjacent glasses using tapes. So they have used the tape here just to join these two glasses. They have used the tape here just to join these two glasses, and then they have used the tape here to join the glasses between this glass and this glass. So that means here all they have used the tape. So here they have said again a small indoor greenhouse. So this is a greenhouse that is made entirely of glass panes. So they have used glass held together. So including the base. Even this base is also made with glass. So this base, this is also made with glass, and all the remaining 5 faces are also made with glass. So held together with tape. So they have used the tape so that all these glasses can be joined. So they have put the tape on its boundary so that the adjacent faces it can be joined. So held together with tape so that the surfaces do not move, they are held tightly. So they have used the tape. It is 30 centimeter long. So this is the length. It is given 30 centimeter and 25 centimeter wide. So this is 25 centimeter. This is breadth. This is the breadth, and then 25 centimeter high. This is the height. They have given 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. What is this? So now the question is, what is the area of the glass? So that means, what is the total area of glass used in making this glass house? So now, in making this greenhouse. So now here, that means even this base is made with the glass, and all the remaining 5 faces also is made of glass. So to find out the total area of glass used, you are going to find out the total surface area, because on all these 5 surface they have used glass. That is why you will use the total surface area. First one. Next one is how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges. So that means here the edges. So these are all the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, then 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. So all these lines that you have seen, they are called the edges. So here let us see how many edges are here. Height wise, height 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have got 4 heights. Then lengthwise 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So here 4 is the length. You have got 4 lengths, and then the heights. So here the breadth. So breadth will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you have got 4 breadth, 4 length, and 4 height. That means the total edges you got 4 plus 4 plus 4. You have got 12 edges. You have got 12 edges. Edges means the sides. So these are the sides. All these are the sides. So here how many total edges? You have got 12 edges. How? You have got 4 heights. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 height. And then you have got 4 length. 1. This is the length. This is the opposite length. So 2. 1, 2, and then this is 3. This will be 4. Then 4 times breadth. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the breadth. So that means you have got each one 4 times. So that means total you have got 12 edges. So you want to find the total length of the tab used, because they have used the tab here. They have used the tab. Tab is used here. Here they have used here. So that is why just to add these 12 edges, and then you will get the total length of the tab that was used. Now here, for a greenhouse, so it is a greenhouse. For a greenhouse, length is 30 centimeter, breadth is 25 centimeter, and the height is 25 centimeter. Then number 1, area of glass. Area of glass used. So that means area of glass used means on all these 6 faces they have made this one with glass. So even the base is made with glass. So you are going to find the total surface area. So total surface area of cuboid. So the shape is cuboid equals to twice of LB plus BH plus HL. So here twice of L. So the length is 30 into breadth is 25. Breadth is 25. Height is 25. Then plus height 25 and the length is 30. So here you got 25 into 3, 75, so 750 plus you got 625, 25 into 25. So plus 25 into 30 you will get 750. So now twice into this you will get 1500. So adding this 2 and then 625. You got 2125. So 2125 you have got centimeter square. Okay, centimeter. So now equals to, so you will get here 52, so 4250 centimeter square. So this is the total area of glass used in making this greenhouse. Now let's say what is the total length of the tab. So the tab is used along its boundary. So that is why here the total length of tab to get, you have to add 4 times height plus 4 times length plus 4 times breadth. Then you will get the total length of the tab used. Now, number 2, total length of tab. Total length of tab. So you have got 4 times of length plus breadth plus height. So here 4, because 4 times length, you have got length 4, you have got breadth 4 times, height 4 times. That is why 4 is taken common. So now here length is 30, breadth is 25, height is 25. So you got 4 into, so this one is 50. 50 plus 30 it will be 80, then centimeter. So you got 320 centimeter. So this much of tab is used in making, in joining the glasses to make the greenhouse. So the total length is 320 meter and the total area of glass used in making the greenhouse is 4250 centimeters square. So with this we have come to the end of today's class. Thank you.